Hello, in this video we are going to discuss some important news in detail. First one is about report released by Hero Wired, Future of Skills Landscape 2024. According to this report, 90% predict that artificial intelligence to be the most in-demand skill in next 5 years. 82% have expressed concerns over job redundancy. 39% stated that artificial intelligence knowledge influences career growth opportunities. 43% are dissatisfied with the lack of adequate AI training by their employers. 83% feel upskilling, particularly in AI, will enhance their job opportunities. 81% respondents have upskilled in last 1 year, utilized online courses, and 75% women who upskilled found it easier to get back to work post a career break. So we can use this report to show what are the some opportunities presented by artificial intelligence and what are the concerns being raised. So this was all about this report. Second news is about Global Risk Survey Indian edition released by PwC. According to this report, cyber risk is the biggest threat faced by Indian organization. Also, 38% feel highly exposed to cyber risk. 35% feel that other digital and technology risks are also top concern. 55% respondent are planning to invest in cyber security tool in next 1 to 3 years. 71% are gathering and analyzing cyber security and IT data for risk management. 99% are confident that organization can balance growth with managing risk effectively. 88% are actively investing in building resilience in their ecosystem over the last 12 months, and 48% have deployed artificial intelligence and machine learning for automated risk assessment. Also, 69% Indian executive seeing generative AI as an opportunity. We can use this report to highlight the extent of cyber risk and what are the various steps being taken to deal with this cyber risk. Third news is about what are volcanoes and why do they keep erupting in Iceland. So first, what are volcanoes? According to US Geological Survey, volcanoes are opening or vents where lava, tephra, that are small rocks, or steam erupt onto the earth surface. They are formed when material, that is liquid rock known as magma, when it is underground, and lava when it breaks through the surface, and other gases significantly hotter than its surrounding erupt onto the earth's surface. The rise of magma can take place in three different ways. First is when tectonic plates move away from each other, that is divergent plate boundary. The magma rises up to fill the space. When this happens, underground volcano can be formed. The best example is mid-oceanic ridge in Atlantic Ocean. Second is when the plates move towards each other, that is convergent plate boundary. When this happens, part of Earth's crust can be forced deep into its interior. The high heat and pressure causes the crust to melt and rise as magma. The third is how magma rises at the hot spot, hot areas inside the earth where magma heats up. As magma gets warmer, it becomes less dense and rises. Now we'll look at types of volcano. There are two broad types of volcanoes. First is stratovolcano and second one is shield volcano. Stratovolcano have a steep sides and are more cone-shaped, whereas shield volcano have a low profile and resemble a shield lying on the ground. Now we'll look at why is Iceland so volcanically active. Iceland is located between the Eurasian and North American tectonic plates which are moving apart a few centimeters every year. This causes the magma to rise up and some reaches the surface and erupt as lava. Additionally, Iceland also sits over hotspot, contributing to enhanced volcanic activity in the region. In last, we'll look at some diagram. First one is convergent plate boundary, where two plates are moving towards one each other and the heavier plate is subducting under the lighter plate. Here the plate started melting and the magma rises to form the volcano. Second one is divergent plate boundary, where two plates are moving away from each other. Here the magma rises from here and led to the formation of mid-ocean ridge. Now we'll look at the type of volcano. First one is this stratovolcano, which have steep sides, which are shown here. And the second one is shield volcano, which has a low profile and which is gently sloping. So that's all for this video. Thank you.